start things off. I'm now heading towards central London, and we will be talking around central London. I'm currently heading towards Chiswick to get the A40 if I'm not wrong. Sorry if I'm wrong, I don't know road names and whatnot. And I'm doing this also because I'm kind of testing a backpack at the moment that was given to me by XL Moto. And I will have a video coming in the future reviewing this backpack, and I also will have one to give away, so just keep an eye on the channel because the time will come. Alright, let's do this. So first things first, the striped helmet. No, this is not my new helmet. I did get a new helmet when I went on holidays to Portugal, so my old Nex XR1R is in Portugal now, and I have a new one to ride here in London. But I want to make a video showing the helmet to you guys because honestly the helmet is freaking amazing. So I didn't want to glue any GoPro mounts and stuff like that before I actually made the video. So that's why I'm using a secondary helmet in which I was able to glue GoPro mounts just to get this video out for you. So no, it's not my new helmet. I will show you my new helmet very soon. Secondly, as you can see, I am still the owner of the Hornet. After I posted a video of the CBR, a lot of people asked me, did you sell the Hornet? Oh, I love the Hornet. Why did you sell it? And I had quite a lot of comments both on YouTube and Instagram asking about this. So, no guys, I did not sell the Hornet, and no, I will not sell the Hornet. Guys, you should know better. You should know better. You follow the channel, you should know better that this bike is very likely never going to leave the channel, or I will never sell this bike. So no matter what bikes I might get in the future, the Hornet will always be the Hornet, and I will always keep the Hornet. So the fact that I actually bought a CBR 600RR doesn't mean that I will sell the Hornet or that I sold it. The Hornet is here to stay, guys. The channel was created based around this motorcycle. This was my first ever big bike, so you can imagine I kind of love it. I kind of love my Hornet. Okay, this is kind of mechanophilia or whatever you call it. I think that's a thing actually, but no, it's not that. I simply kind of really like the bike. So I didn't sell it, I don't want to sell it, and there are several reasons why I don't want to sell it. First of all, it was my first big bike. I bought the Hornet back in 2012 directly from a Honda dealership. I bought it brand new because it was exactly the bike that I wanted in the colors that I wanted, so I couldn't find it used. So I bought it brand new from the dealership. Okay, holy moly, that was a hard hit on the gears. So I bought it brand new from the dealership. It was my first bike and the bike that basically taught me how to ride big bikes. So it has a very huge sentimental value associated to it. Ooh, lovely. It has a very big sentimental value. So that is the first one. Second, this bike never gave me any problem. Any problem whatsoever. 5 years of riding, I never had a single problem with this bike. So that's another one. If the bike was not reliable, if you keep on having problems with it, yeah, sure, get rid of it fast. But it's not. I never had an issue. I don't think I'll ever have an issue, but let's hope I don't. That's another reason why I do not want to sell it. Third reason. You all very likely know Royal Jordanian. And if you do know him, you know that he has a Husqvarna Nuda 900R, which is basically his baby. Well, the Hornet is for me what the Nuda is for RJ. It's the bike that no matter how many bikes RJ has, the Nuda is always in his garage. The same way that no matter what happens in the future, I will keep the Hornet. I will always keep the Hornet. The Hornet is the reason why we are actually here. The reason why you're watching my video, because either you like the Hornet, or you're a fan of the sound of the Hornet, or you like the looks of the Hornet, or you simply kind of like to watch me talking about Hornets and all other random stuff. But main reason is you did come for this bike. You probably came because one day you went on YouTube. YouTube said, hey, here you go, look at this video, it's actually pretty cool. You opened up the video, you liked what you saw, and you subscribed. And that's the reason why we are here. So this bike is the main reason why we are here at this moment. So no, I did not sell it. I do not want to sell it. And it's not for sale. So guys, believe me when I say the Hornet will not be going anywhere. The Hornet will not be going anywhere. There's only two ways this bike will go anywhere. One, theft. Second, I'll crash it beyond repairment. Which neither of those options I want to happen. I want them to happen. So until one of those things happen, which let's all hope they don't, the Hornet will stay here, and this bike will be the main bike that you will always see on the channel.